is your lucky day. Watch and see the process. Lots of constructing materials are used for this build-up project. The type of bricks the video creator is using are type K23 insulating fire bricks. He then put together all the bricks, which more or less look like a brick box. He is a professional and previously created rolls of type A1 Kentel wire, 1.2 mm thick. There comes the fun part, building the heat oven case. Slowly putting all pieces together to get the case shape he's aiming for. He keeps adding all the needed elements and parts. This heat oven is going to be the best one. Assembling all parts together, the oven is coming to great shape. Don't you agree? A great DIY project requires patience and effort. Lots of it, actually. We know he's a professional when he starts adding the electrical elements to the oven. Everything is well thought out beforehand, and the measurements are fit for the oven size. He brought together several disciplines: welding, sheet metal work, electrical, control systems, and executed them all masterfully. He's setting up the power switch. Amazing craftsmanship! Our DIY oven is ready to be used. A fun fact: heat-treating ovens are extremely handy for knife makers. They allow precise, accurate temperature control. Until next time, you guys!